what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, I'll be sharing with you guys the 5-minute hacks prom dress without sew, with no glue, and without cutting. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Oops! Please do subscribe and comment down below and like and share. So let's get it started. Here we go guys, this is our before and I'm going to transform it into 5 minutes prom dress. So I have this piece of black ribbon and I'm going to tie it at the back on both sides of the sleeves so it creates a oval shape at the back. Next is that I have this black scarf. So what I am gonna do with this is that I'm going to tuck in it or insert it under the black pleated dress. Just like that, and don't mind the background, and you can just lose it, whatever you want to do with that. And I'm going to make it a V line or a V shape with the use of pin because this is more cute and it accentuates more the chest, although I don't have a chest but yes. So this is the back and this is the front. The V shape actually accentuated my chest and I kinda like to accentuate also my waist. So I used the pin to pin it at the back, and yes, I can see my curve now. So I used this black ribbon before to hide the pin at the back, and I will replace the ribbon that is tied on both sleeves before with this little thin scrunchie on my hair, and now I'm gonna tie it on the back also to create an oval shape. I actually don't know what will be the result of the ribbon at my lower back and with the scarf and with the oval, but it's actually cute and I loved it. So I have this skirt, a long skirt, I don't know what they call it, but it's long skirt. So I'm wearing the skirt above my knee and I will just kind of flip it. I will not going to cut it. I will just flip it together with the black dress. So here you can see that the waistband, and I will just kind of insert the black dress and flip it together with the waistband. So it will look like a mermaid gown. It's really cute. So this prom dress is a distress without accessories. So I kind of paired it with my necklace and with my lace gloves. Ta-da! Are you guys ready to see the final look? I mean, you've already seen this prom dress, but here is the grand reveal, guys. Hope you like it. Jan Oh, I'm a bad dancer. But yes, this is the final look, and I'm so in love with the back of this. I can see the silhouette of this simply prom dress, and to be honest, it's like vintage inspired dress. But I actually love it because it's 10 times cuter than my old prom dress. And if you're finding prom dress that is low budget or you don't have enough money to buy one, you can learn from this tutorial. This is 5 minutes prom dress hacks, but you can make it as fast as you can. That is all for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something from me again. And if you guys want another video like this or another ideas or content about fashion vlogs, please do comment down below and I'll try to make it. So bye, thank you guys for watching.